Yenya John Jinapor ade no de tie ne say Ashanti region asemba ko pe wo se mote ase and me sure pass wunim and say Ashanti region ye hia additional bulk supply pointer ebeba na ababe boa mienu a eye adwuma sisi a wokrum ha and yes sanwa yes and ye we hwe de kokon no asem no eno no esi aye wo anwoma so and your rage. I understand, sir, and command me and say there is a proposal a daho. I secure as I say for additional bulk supply point Emeka Ashanti region. It is there at daho. Yenye no, yenye eno. Na region yi yasumu nyo yen. Esi aye ka say statement obi anka bibi ankyere obi a na se bibi beba nso a say the munimu no ano upstream brofuya but the problem is that region we Ashanti region baby aye kon ye hia abaya de hia yen in this region. Yes, granted that cables ni bi aye mre Lord ni bi ho a ba cables bi ntime engineer de. Yes, eno no ho. But the core issue is that as a region there's a need so we see now you know and the biana ya the transformer ba and a transformer yi na no region ya see abayi bi afiri ho de bi abehye ho na ya de we kwa ha na ya de we fa. What's up? Huh? John Jinapor, what's up? ECG. Where are the acting? You be aquine. Uko ko busa mu ya say, oh, upstream challenge. Tidu be am catch production say enchiremu no eno ha na be sa be sinachi. The same thing na be sa ba. Na pa wo hwe me see na say wo office abon sem krofo because na awuro ma fe de na bia ya aduti eku so de hihye bi ma ye nanka mframa kakra mo ani ade sabre krofo ni ho hanjo. It is bad and kaya ye koyanim beka so ye koyanim kakra na fe asan ati asan ye koyachi enti ye besre ECG and of a Ministry of Energy and Green Transition. John Jinapor, Krom Hadie, you know this place, Unima Santimantemu apa. And me assure some penimphobia mobile year weekendi. Senaya Dudona Koya. Because that time I was around by 10. So, the Yamoy Hoso. Na yankoyanim.